Hi kids, the chapter which we are going to discuss today is Noses, which is taken from the book Marigold, Class 4, English, and this is NCERT syllabus. This is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video, and for many more educational videos, subscribe our channel Kaikora. Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. And this poem is by Eileen Fisher. New words. What are the new words given in the poem? Mirror, funniest, breathing, sticking, and giggle. Let us see the meaning for the new words. Mirror. A glass which reflects a clear image. Funniest. Causing laughter. Breathing. Taking in and throwing out of air. Sticking. Fixed. Giggle. To laugh. Make sentences of your own. Mirror. Mirror reflects the image. Funniest. My brother told me the funniest story. Breathing. We cannot live without breathing. Sticking. Ram is not sticking to his point. Giggle. They giggle at my jokes. Reading is fun. Why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? The poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it goes straight with two little holes in it. Why is the nose important for you? Nose is important for us as it helps in breathing. Does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? No, the child in the poem does not like her nose. It is so because she always laughs when she sees her nose in the mirror. Let's talk. Describe a few funny things you have seen. Do they make you laugh? The funny things that I have seen is monkeys climbing and falling down from the trees. They always make me laugh. What does feature mean? Look up the dictionary. What are the different kinds of features of people we come across in the world? Discuss. Features are different characteristics of people. We come across different kinds of features in the world. Some of them are very shy, while some are talkative, some are polite, and some are rough. Let's sing. Sing this song and march as you sing. When you come to ginger, take two steps back and say 2, 3. Then start again. There was a girl, so tall and thin and fair. Her hair was a delicate shade of ginger. Fun time. Sit in groups. Look at your friend's face and describe what you see. Use words like long, round, oval, slanted, sharp, flat to help you. You can use other words also. My friend has a round face. She has long hair and she uses flat sandals. She wears a oval watch and she has a sharp eyes. He is a fat boy with a long stick. What is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 sentences. My favorite fruit is apple. It will be in red or green in color. It tastes sweet and sour. It grows in hilly areas and apples are very costly. Eating apples makes us healthy. How does it smell? How does apple smell? It smells pleasant. How does it look? It looks like a round ball. How does it feel? It feels hard. When you bite it, what sound does it make? It makes a crunchy noise when we bite. How does it taste? It tastes sweet and sour. Let's exercise. A breathing exercise. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale slowly through your left nostril till your lungs are filled with air. Now close your left nostril with your second and third fingers. Remove your fingers from the right nostril and exhale through it. Repeat this exercise slowly in the beginning and with practice increase your speed. Let's write. Do you know a fish breathes from its gills? Write two sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. The frogs can breathe in water through their skin. Water snails breathe in water using their gills. Punctuate the following passage. Mother, father, Neelam said, I have got a fire engine. What is this? What is this? Called mother, somewhat confused by the noise. I have got a fire engine, mother. Come and see it. Using a red pencil, choose and circle the things whose smells you like. Now with blue pencil, circle the things whose smell you do not like. Make 5 sentences like this. I like or do not like the smell of dash because it reminds me of. I like the smell of elachi because it reminds me of tea. I do not like the smell of rotten fruit because it reminds me of sewage. I like the smell of chocolate because it reminds me of my sister who gives me. I do not like the smell of dirty socks. It reminds me of rotten vegetables. I like the smell of paint because it reminds me of a perfume. What is it? Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. What is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrots and watercress. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he doesn't make any noise at all. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. What it is? It is a rabbit. And the poem is by Mary Louise Allen. Write 3 pairs of words that rhyme with each other. Nose, goes. Guess, watercress. Small, all. Thank you, kids.